Hi guys, welcome to Active4 channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, in the first step we must look for calendar application, where we must choose day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of April. We tap on it and there this plus icon. Now we can add title of our event. There we can add emoji which we see in our calendar, maybe for birthday, and we can change color, which we also see in our calendar. There we can set when event starts and finish and what time, or by the switch we can set it will be all day. Location of our event, if we need it. We can add event to our family group or our group on Gmail. There we can add notification when we get it, maybe day before event at 5 o'clock, or we can turn on it when we needed it. There we repeat of our event, maybe every day, every week, what you prefer and need, and notes to that. After that we can set video conference in the day when event starts. We can also add attachment and invite some people to this event. When we set all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.